Welcome to this evening restorative yoga class. Let's gently move and stretch our body to release all the tension and stress from the day and simply rest and get calmer. Let's begin by opening our knees wide, big toes to touch. Let's start in easy calming pose, balasana, which helps to calm down and relax. Let's do deep inhale and deep exhale through the mouth to let everything go. With gratitude, let go whatever happened today and allow yourself to settle down in this present moment. Becoming aware of your breath, of your body. Allow yourself to ground and shift your focus inward in your body and notice how your body is feeling right now. Now shift your focus to your breath and let's prolong our exhales. We will inhale for 4 seconds and exhale for 6. Let's begin. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4 and exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And last time, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And release. Breathe in your own path. And take a moment here to notice sensations in your body, in your mind. On the next inhale, start gently getting up, sit on your heels, and place your palms on your knees. On the inhale, arch your spine, look up, chin up. Exhale, round your back, chin to your chest. Inhale, arch, look up. Exhale, round your back, chin to your chest, navel to your spine. Inhale, arch your spine. Exhale, round your back. And release. Reach your arms through the side up and place your right palm on the mat. Bring your hips to the left and reach with your left arm to the right side, stretching your left side of the body. Shoulders away from the ears. Inhale here and deep exhale. Inhale. And on the next exhale, release. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. And exhale, place the left palm on the mat. Hips move to the right and reach with your right hand above your head. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Stretch side of your body. And release. Raise on your knees. Extend your left leg to the side. Your foot is parallel to the short side of the mat. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky. And exhale, left palm on your shin and reach with right over your head. Shoulders away from the ears. And release. Place right palm on the mat parallel with the knee. Extend left arm up to the sky. Inhale here. And on the next exhale, start rotate your arm gently forward, making circle movement. Following your breath. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale, reverse direction and open your palm facing up. And release. Walk your hands to the left leg. Frame your foot with palms. Inhale, arch your spine, and on the exhale, gentle forward fold, stretching back of your thigh. And release. Come sit on your heels and shins. Inhale, reach your arms to the sky, and exhale, raise up on the knees. Extend right leg to the side, foot parallel to the short side of the mat. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, put your right palm on the shin and with left over your head. Inhale here and exhale. Inhale and exhale, release. Now place your left palm parallel with the knee, right arm up to the sky. Inhale here, and on the next exhale, start rotating your arm gently, warming up your shoulder joint, following your breath. On the next exhale, reverse direction by opening your palm facing up. And now walk your palms to the right leg. Frame your foot with your palms. Flex your foot. Inhale, arch your spine, and exhale, gentle forward fold. And release. Come to the tabletop. Let's do inhale, arching the spine, and exhale, round the back. Inhale, arch the spine. Exhale, round. Inhale, arch. And exhale, round chin to your chest, navel to the spine. And release. Inhale, lift right knee up, and let's do gentle rotation of hip bone, following the breath. Inhale and exhale. And now reverse direction. And on the next inhale, extend your leg to the side, tap the floor, lift your leg, bend the knee, and place it down. Lift the knee to the side, extend the leg, tap the floor, lift the leg, bend the knee, and place it down. Lift the leg, extend, tap, lift, and bend the knee, and place it down. And last time, extend your leg and place your foot parallel to the mat. Walk your palms forward and melt your chest down, coming into extended puppy. Breathe here, inhale, and exhale, release. Come to the tabletop, walk your hands forward, place your palms on your fingertips, inhale, and exhale, melt your chest down. Make sure that your hips above your knees, or they can be a bit forward to give a space for your chest, but don't bring them back. Let's stay here. Inhale, your arms are active, and exhale, melt your chest down. Now place your palms on the mat. You can place your forehead down on or bring the chin on the mat, going deeper into the pose. Inhale here and exhale. And now release. Come back to the tabletop and let's move the other leg, making gentle rotation with the knee. In one direction and then reverse direction. Now on the next inhale, extend your leg to the side, tap the floor, Bend your leg and place it down. Lift your knee, extend leg, tap the floor, bend the knee and place it down. Lift leg, extend, tap the floor, lift, bend knee and place it down. One more time, extend your leg, place your foot parallel to the mat and walk your hands coming into the extended puppy. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Feel the stretch in your leg and in your chest. And release. And now come back to the tabletop. Walk your palms slightly forward, curl your toes, inhale, and exhale, lift your hips up and back, come into the downward facing dog. Let's walk our legs, pedal the feet. You can move your hips from side to side, roll your upper arms down. You can bend your knees to keep your spine straight. Push the floor away. Inhale. And exhale out. Inhale here. And exhale. On the next inhale, move with your back rounded like a wave to the plank. Let's stay here. On the next exhale, knees, chest and chin touching the mat. And put your belly down. Place your palms under your shoulders, feet mat width distance. Engage your glutes. Inhale, raise up. Elbows in. Bring the mat towards your hips. Open your chest. Roll your shoulders down. Exhale. Place your belly and chest down. And now extend your left arm to the side. Help yourself with your right palm. And move to the left side, coming into this gentle twist. You can stay here, or you can bend your right leg and place your foot behind the left leg. Breathe in, inhale, exhale. And if you want to go even deeper, you can bend your left leg also and feel this stretch in your chest. And then gently release. Place your palms again under your shoulders. Inhale here, exhale, raise up into the cobra, elbows in, chest forward. And now bring your chest down. Extend your right arm to the side and move your body to the right side. You can stay here or bend your left leg and place it behind your right leg. Also, you can bend your other leg and going into even deeper twist. Deep inhale here and deep exhale. And then release. Now on the next inhale, bend your right leg, bring your feet to your hip and feel this gentle stretch in your quad. Stay here, inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale out. And then release. And now bend the other leg, left leg, grab your foot and bring it towards your left hip. Stay here and breathe into your quad. Inhale and exhale. And then release. Push the floor away, coming gently into the downward facing dog. Hips up and back. Roll your upper arms down. Push the floor away. Heels reaching towards the mat. Chest towards your thighs. On the next inhale, extend your right leg up to the sky. Hips are closed. Engage your glute. Inhale here. Exhale, look forward and bring your knee between your palms. Move your hips from side to side, giving yourself some space. You can walk your left leg a little bit further. Place your right palm next to the knee and grab your left foot and bring it towards your left hip. Here you need to bring your left hip down. And stay here, breathing into your left quad and left psoas. Now grab your foot with your left arm and bring it. You can walk a little bit further to give yourself some space, and then grab your foot and go a bit deeper. Try to open in your chest, slightly arching your spine. Do not round your back. Inhale and deep exhale into the quad. And release. You can walk your leg a bit further, and now melt your chest down and make a wave with your spine, and then go down, lying down on your right leg. If you want to go deeper, you can move your foot a little bit forward and then melt your chest down and rest here. Keep your hips square and breathe into your right glute. Deep inhale and deep exhale. Imagine like your chest is melting down. All your body is relaxing. Let go any tension in your hip. With every exhale, release tension in your right glute. And then gently raise up. Come back to the downward facing dog and bring your knee over your hip. And then place your foot down. Coming into downward facing dog. Roll your upper arms down, move your hips from side to side, and then place your knees down, open them, big toes to touch, and come to the child pose. Rest your forehead on the mat. Breathe here, inhale, and exhale. And check your sensation in your right hip and left hip now. And notice difference between your right hip and left hip. On the next inhale, raise up. Walk your palms slightly forward, curl your toes. Exhale, come back to the downward facing dog. On the next inhale, raise your left leg up to the sky. Close your hips. Feel your left glute. Look between your palms and bring your knee between palms. Walk your back leg a bit further to give yourself some space. You can move from side to side. Bring your heel closer to your pubic bone. Place your left palm next to the left knee and grab with your right arm your right foot and bring your heel towards your hip. Here is important to close your hip, so your right hip is looking toward the mat. You can crawl your tailbone under to feel even more sensations in your psoas, in your right quad. And if you want, you can walk a little bit further to go deeper. Try do not round in your back, chest forward, relax your face and breathe into your quad. And then gently release and grab with your left arm your right foot and maybe go a little bit deeper. Arch your spine here. Deep inhale and deep exhale into your quad, into your psoas. Then release. Walk your right leg a little bit further to give yourself some space. You can move your right foot a bit forward to go deeper and walk your palms forward and melt your chest down and put your forehead on your arms. And stay here, simply allowing yourself to let go any tension in your left glute. Imagine like with every exhale, you letting go and releasing your body, allowing your chest melting down. Inhale here and exhale. Breathe into your left glute. Feel like with every exhale, your chest going even deeper down, grounding down. Remember that exhale calms down our nervous system, and this allows us to be more flexible. And now gently raise up, roll your back toes and come to the downward facing dog. Lift your knee over your left hip and then place your leg down. Inhale in this downward facing dog and exhale. Now bring your knees parallel hip width distance. Place your forehead down and your arms next to your heels. And then place your palms on your fingertips next to the ears. Place your head on the crown and let's move with round back forward, massaging our back of our neck. Inhale and exhale forward. Inhale back, exhale forward. Feel the stretch in your neck. Try to keep most of your weight on your knees. Now come to the Baddha Konasana. Open your knees, soles of the feet together. Grab them with your palms and start moving your knees like waving like a butterfly. Keep your spine straight, chest forward, face relaxed. On the next exhale, extend your right leg, flex your foot, place or your palm or your elbow down, and bring your left arm over your head, reaching to the right, coming into this side stretch. shoulders away from the ears, face is relaxed. Inhale and exhale. You can stay here or go even deeper, grabbing your big toe. Feel the stretch in the back of your thigh and in the left side of your body. And then release. Bring your left feet into the right inner thigh. Inhale, reach your arms up to the sky, and exhale, go into the forward fold, bringing your belly toward the thighs, chest over your knees, and reach this crown of your head forward over your foot. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Release the tension and let your body melt down. Then raise up, bring your left foot over your leg, right leg. Grab the knee with your arm and left arm behind your back, coming into the twist. Inhale, extend your spine, reaching this crown of your head up to the sky, and exhale, go even deeper into the twist, looking over your left shoulder. Right leg is engaged, foot is flexed. And release, come back to the center. Now bend your knee, soles to touch. And then let's do inhale, arch your spine. And exhale, go into the forward fold. If your elbows reaching towards your shins, you can push with your elbows shin down, going even deeper into the forward fold. If not, you can stay there where you are, but just trying to keep your spine straight. So you're reaching with your chest over your feet. With crown of your head, you're reaching forward. Feel the gentle stretch in your inner thighs. And then raise up. Extend your left leg to the side. Bring your right foot into the inner thigh. You can place your palm or your elbow down and reach with your right hand over your head to the left. Feel the stretch in your left leg and your right side of the body. Face is relaxed. You can grab your toe, going even deeper. Try to keep your chest opened. Deep breath in and deep breath out. And gently release. Bring your right foot into the inner thigh of your left leg. Inhale, arms up to the sky, and exhale, go into the forward fold. Remember, try to reach with your chest over your knee, with crown of your head over your foot. Every inhale, extending your spine, and exhale, going even deeper. Inhale and exhale. Now raise up. Place your foot on the mat and start slowly moving down towards the mat. Lying down on the mat, bring your knees together to your chest and roll from side to side. Give a gentle massage to your lower back. Now extend your arms like a T shape and bring your knee from side to side, trying to keep your shoulder blades on the mat. Inhale, center, exhale. Now let's do the happy baby. Here's an option: you can grab your shin, trying to bring your knees toward the mat, or you can grab your big toe. Or if it is accessible, you can grab with your palm the foot and trying to bring your knees toward the mat. You can move from side to side. Push with your palm into your feet and your feet into your palm. Shoulders down and face relax. Let's do deep inhale and deep exhale with the mouth. And then release. Extend your legs. Open your palms to the side, facing up. Deep inhale and deep exhale to let everything go. Allowing yourself to melt down and release all the tension from the day. You can move your head from side to side, bringing your chin to the shoulder. Then let's do deep inhale and deep exhale to release all the tension, to allow yourself to melt down. Relax your face, relax your eyes, your mouth, your chin. Release the tension in your shoulders, let them melt down to the mat. Relax your chest with every exhale. Let every your vertebra coming down to the mat. Soften your belly. Release the tension in your lower back, in your arms, elbows, and palms. Relax your fingers. Relax your hips, your thighs, your knees and shins. Let them go and relax. With gratitude, release the tension in your feet, thanking them for walking you around during the day. Relax every your toe. You can scan your body a few times to check if there's anything holding still and let go. Allow the surface beneath you hold you. Simply surrender your body into the space. You can stay here as long as you want, or you can start slowly moving your fingers, shaking your toes, moving your head from side to side, waking your body gently, extending your arms over your head. And when you're ready, turn to the right side of your body and stay here a few breaths. And then come sit into easy pose Sukhasana. You can keep your eyes closed, roll your shoulders down, and take a moment here to notice sensations in your body after this practice. Check in your body with your mind. Bring your palms together and let's take a moment here to find the gratitude for the day. Find there are 3 things which you are grateful for today. It can be simple things like cup of coffee, or maybe today was sunny day, or even it was rainy day. Just find 3 simple things you are grateful for. Maybe somebody helped you, maybe somebody made you smile, maybe you had some problem which taught you something. Just find a gratitude. And now thank yourself for making effort, stepping on this mat, paying attention towards yourself, towards your body, towards your well-being. Thanks your body for its strength and flexibility and endurance. And let's thank the universe for the opportunities we have, for the time we can spend with ourselves, for all the teachers around us. And I thank you for choosing this class, for choosing me being your guide. Thank you so much. Namaste, and wish you beautiful, cozy evening and very nice rest.